What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on my channel. This is the place where you learn how to make super dope artwork and arts and crafts. And today we're gonna learn how to make this guy right here. Super sick cityscape. If you guys don't know, I live in New Jersey, which is kind of like a suburb of New York City. And yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to paint some stuff. It's very easy. It took just over 10 minutes to make this video, to do the entire painting. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit for you guys because I know ain't nobody got time to sit around and watch 10 minutes of just a tutorial. But do yourself a favor. Get some paint, paint along. It's very easy. Once you guys start doing this, you're gonna be addicted, and all you're gonna wanna do is paint. But you guys, just make sure that you're safe about it. Always wear a respirator, always wear gloves, and apart from that, just have a really good time. And also, don't paint around your kitty cats and dogs. Make sure they're not in the same place as you because paint is toxic. But anyway, now that that's over with, let's get back to the tutorial. And that's it for this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this and want to see more, please subscribe and join me on my painting journey.